Hi guys, so I'm making this kind of awesome, well, I think it's awesome, but video. So this is just a warning before the video starts that um what this could actually be considered if you do it like more than like 600 times in a day. That could cause a DDoS attack because of most sites have DDoS protection. So um yeah, so basically I'm gonna show you how to, so the site, this also works, this only works if the site has a random generator kind of like thing. So I'm gonna show you how to make a random waifu button, or basically random anime button on the stream deck. So basically it's really simple. So first you're gonna need to have the stream deck installed, and then you're gonna have to have a blank button. So a blank website button. Okay. So you go to here, go to the Stream Deck software, go to the website button, put it here. So then you call it whatever you want to call it. So basically I'm gonna call it random y so oopsies, misspelled it by accident. So random waifu. So that's what I'm gonna call it. So this is what you're gonna have to do. So for example, this is a my wife list dot moe, which is a website. And so if you basically, it's right now, as you see, it's called https colon forward slash my waifu list dot moe forward slash dash. And so if you see right here, it says if you click here, it'll bring up a random character and what anime they're from. And so you basically type here, and you type in random, because it's an actual, it's the link to basically the page, which is right here, which is the subcategory. It only works with like pages that show random stuff. I tried with like many different pages. So then if you type a random, press enter, it brings up a random character, and it'll tell you what show it's from, what show the character's from, for example, right here, and also it tells you the name, the character's name most times. So it says name, and then the Romanji, and then it tells you what show it appears in, their age, height, weight, blood type, date of birth, and then there's three sizes. For this specific one, they have other ones that would work, and tell you the if they're if the waifu is nice, or if they're trash. So you can do actually that. So let me just reload the page again. So if we just type it again, you see this one, press paste. We get a random character. Okay. So if we actually open the Steam Deck software, and then you see where it says random waifu, which is one I made for this specific one. You then put the URL right here, / random, and then you basically, that's done. So now, if you press the stream deck button, I'm gonna press it. I'm not gonna show it. Well, I can actually show it on camera. So, 1 second. So, yeah, so I'm just gonna press it, and I don't have the camera set up right now for it. So if I press it, and it brings up this character. Okay, so sweet, it worked. So now, so I'm going to show you for a different side. This is called Anime.io, which is a website for specific anime. So it recommends anime. So if you do the same exact thing, .to / random. I'm going to copy this, and then you press enter. Shows your random anime. It's just like the random button right here. So if you press random button here, it brings up a random anime. But this is just pretty much a shortcut. And so if you want to basically then just go make a new website tab, put this here, and then type in random anime. So type in random anime. And now when I press the stream deck button, it brings up a random anime. And I'm gonna do one for a character because I just thought, because this is just for these specific ones. This one is coolgenerator.com/anime character generator. So this is one I did before. So with this one, you just have to reload the page, and it'll load a new character each time. So as you can see, multiple times. And it does popular ones. So if you take this and then go do the same thing, put this here, random can't spell, obviously, but this here, so random character generator. Okay, so there's that. And when I press it, it'll load a character. It'll load a new page with new characters. And it helps you find anime. For example, most of the stuff most people probably have seen, but so that's how you do actually that. So I was just mainly did this video to show, for example, for this one, because this is something I would actually love to actually use. And so yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.